Hey there, language lovers. Welcome back to Restart Everyday 123. Today, we dive into the world of idioms, those tricky yet fascinating phrases that make English so rich and expressive. This series will help you enhance communication, boost fluency, improve understanding, and expand your vocabulary. Let's get started. 1. A blessing in disguise, a good thing that seemed bad at first. Example, losing that job was a blessing in disguise, I found a better one. 2. A dime a dozen, something very common. Example, cheap plastic toys are a dime a dozen. 3. Beat around the bush, avoid saying something directly. Example, stop beating around the bush and tell me the truth. 4. Bite the bullet, to endure a painful situation. Example, I hate injections, but I'll have to bite the bullet and get vaccinated. 5. Break a leg, good luck. Example, break a leg at your performance tonight. 6. Burn the midnight oil, work late into the night. Example, I had to burn the midnight oil to finish my project on time. 7. Hit the nail on the head, do or say something exactly right. Example, she hit the nail on the head when she said marketing is all about storytelling. 8. Go the extra mile, do more than what is required. Example, if you go the extra mile, you'll impress your boss. 9. Jump on the bandwagon, join a popular trend. Example, many companies jumped on the electric vehicle bandwagon. 10. Pull out all the stops, use all resources to succeed. Example, we pulled out all the stops to make the event successful. 11. A penny for your thoughts, asking someone what they are thinking. Example, you seem quiet. A penny for your thoughts. 12. Cost an arm and a leg, very expensive. 13. Bring home the bacon, earn money for the family. Example, he works 2 jobs to bring home the bacon. 14. In the red, losing money. Example, the company has been in the red for months. 15. Make ends meet, have just enough money to live. Example, it's hard to make ends meet on a low salary. 16. A wolf in sheep's clothing, someone who seems nice but is actually bad. Example, be careful of him, he's a wolf in sheep's clothing. 17. Actions speak louder than words, what you do is more important than what you say. Example, stop apologizing and fix your mistake, actions speak louder than words. 18. Bury the hatchet, end a conflict. Example, they decided to bury the hatchet and become friends again. 19. Give someone the cold shoulder, ignore someone. Example, after our argument, she gave me the cold shoulder. 20. See eye to eye, agree on something. Example, we rarely see eye to eye on business decisions. 21. A golden opportunity, a great chance. Example, this job offer is a golden opportunity. 22. The ball is in your court, it's your decision now. Example, I've given you my advice, now the ball is in your court. 23. Keep an eye on, watch carefully. Example, can you keep an eye on my bag while I'm gone?